Hello, everybody, and let me introduce you to this ANDELI precision screwdriver. I'm so in love with this thing. This thing is worth its weight in gold. Besides all of the attachments and the tools right here, it comes with a lot of other things, even a manual screwdriver, and it comes these picks right here, and it even has a blade in case you're working on electronics and you need to pry something open. This comes in handy. But the crowning jewel, this guy, it comes with flashlight or an LED light, so it can show you where you're working on. Comes with forward, reverse, and even high speed and low speed or high torque, low torque setting. All these bits, they have magnets in here to keep them in place so nothing falls out. I like that. So let's pick out this guy right here. All you gotta do is just put it in, and there's a little magnet in here that pulls it and holds it into place. Let's take this regular, and I'm gonna tighten it on this board. See, it goes right through. Change the speed setting, and you want don't underestimate the screwdriver. Put it all the way through. Reverse it back. Not a problem. Takes it right out. This is a quick and easy way to get things done around the house. It's not just for little electronics, and things like that, but it's actually a great overall tool to have in the house. What's nice also about this is once you're done with everything, this metal case, it's perfect. Just put everything in here and it's just one click. Now, the brand did send us this for review. I'm going to start using it more often. It's just a joy to use. I love it. I hope you enjoyed my review. Thank you so much for your time.